How's it going, everyone? Today I'm back with another weather radio unboxing. And this one is going to be, I think, a really cool radio because it's one of a very few number of vintage, like actual vintage weather radios that have both weather alert and the ability to run off an AC adapter or a 9-volt battery. So in other words, they're not hardwired and they're not battery only. That category of weather radios is really cool to me, and sometimes they can be pretty hard to find. I think this model is more common than some, and unfortunately this did not come with the AC adapter, but that's okay because the type that it takes, I think, is one that I can find at the thrift store. I've seen ones with that type of plug at least. I don't know about the right voltage. But this is going to be my first ever Uniden weather radio. It's probably my favorite company that made cordless phones. So especially since this radio is so old, I expect this is going to be a great quality and really nice radio. Here we have the Uniden Bearcat BC-WA. Let's check the battery compartment. And I don't see much in the way of corrosion. There's something there, but I don't think there's actually any corrosion. Let's see what this is. Just looks like a piece of paper or something. Or dust, maybe. Yeah, okay. So it's okay that this doesn't have the AC adapter because I have. Let me get the camera up here to show you. I have rechargeable nickel metal hydride 9-volt batteries. So let's grab one and take it back down here. And go ahead and plug it in. And we've got what looks like an analog tuner. That is amazing. I think this might be my first desktop analog tuner weather radio. And there's alert test or off. So let's make sure that's off. And there's on off. Oh boy. Well, it's in the on position, but it's not doing anything. There we go. Oh, I see. It is doing something. I think it's just this indicator light may either be getting low voltage, or it's just spent decades on and is very dim. But you can see it is actually glowing on there. Alert test. Yeah, it's not doing the alert test. Maybe it only wants to do that when it's plugged in. We do have a fully pivoting antenna. So let's start down at the bottom of the weather band and start tuning. Volume slider is a little scratchy. That should be a good level. Oh yeah, let me extend the antenna. It's got a good length on it, actually. Alright. There we are.
Wind northwest at 8 gusting to 16. At Rome, it was mostly sunny and 40. Wind variable at 5. At Cartersville, it was sunny and 48.
It's not super loud.
West at 7. At Atlanta, it was partly sunny and 50. Wind northwest at 13.
It's about as loud as it goes.
Across the Carolinas, at Asheville, it was sunny and 41. Wind variable at 6. At Greenville, Spartanburg, it was sunny and 48. Wind southwest.
Alright, let's keep
3.
tuning. I think that's channel
At
5.
Anderson, it was sunny and 50. Wind south. Relative humidity
Yep.
is expected to decrease to the 20
Here's
to
channel
25%
6.
range across northeast Georgia this afternoon. While winds are expected to be less than 10 miles per hour, the dry air will combine with dry vegetation to produce elevated fire danger across the area this afternoon. Please refer to your local burn permits. Lows in the upper
And there's
30s.
KEC 80.
Saturday
Channel
and
7.
Saturday. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows
Okay, I
in
was
the
just
upper
accidentally knocking the tuning out of alignment.
And Sunday night, cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows around 20. Martin Luther King Jr. Day night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of snow showers.
Alright, so it sounds pretty nice. It's
Lows
a little bit on the distorted side. A lot of weather radios seem to be. I mean, vintage ones. And it's not super loud, but that could also just be because it's running off of battery. As you might be able to tell, this does not take a standard type of power jack. This is a 3.5 millimeter jack. I found pictures of these online. And for the antenna jack, looks like that's a 2.5 millimeter or something different. I have no idea what that would go to. But there's the specifications and information. I wonder if this is a date code. It was made in Taiwan. And it's got nice looking wood grain on the sides.
on Tuesday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. The current time.
Wow, what a cool radio. Well, I wish there was a way to make it do the alert test.
Degrees.
I'm hearing something different here. That's weird. Now it's not receiving anything.
48. Wind northwest at 9.
Alright, I guess I just knocked the tuning out of alignment
It
again.
was partly sunny and 47. Wind west at Maple. Was mostly sunny and 50.
Sounds like the alert test switch might just need to be cleaned. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, so it's in regular mode now, and I'm going to switch it to alert test. Nope, maybe not. Well, that's okay. I'll just open this up. Oh, there we go.
Wind northwest at 10.
Okay, that's a little odd, but like I said, I will just open this up and clean this out. I have a thing that can deoxidize stuff like that. It's called Deoxit. Wow, that antenna is really hard to push in. But alright, it seems like it's working just fine, pretty much. So there we go. That is going to be it for the unboxing and checkout of this vintage Uniden weather radio, model BC-WA. Thanks for watching.